Why does Ron Swanson want to invest in gold? And why is it a bad idea? Hi, I'm Zena Kumuk, financial advisor, and here to take the fear out of finance. If you're a huge fan of Parks and Rec like me, you've probably seen so many clips and episodes where Ron Swanson talks about investing in gold as his primary form of investing. And even though Ron appears to be super rich at the end of the show, is investing in gold a good idea? Let me explain. One of the biggest things that can derail your retirement is inflation, or the cost of goods and services increasing over time. One of the best ways to counteract that inflation is by investing in things that outpace the rate of inflation. So what outpaces inflation? The stock market. And what historically doesn't outpace inflation? Gold. If you had a dollar's worth of gold 200 years ago, it would be worth about $8 today. But if you put a dollar in the stock market 200 years ago, today, it would be worth about $1.2 million. This is a huge contrast to gold, which is basically an inert metal that produces no cash flow, no dividends, no interest payments, in contrast to the stock market, which can produce dividends that compound over time, boosting your net worth. Imagine how much more money Ron Swanson would have if he had actually diversified his portfolio and invested money in the stock market and not just gold. He could have probably bought the whole city of Pawnee or even Eagleton. Have any more questions about investing? Shoot me a DM or send me an email at zkumuk@chddouglas.com.